Hi, Scout. Is it too much snow for you? Hmm?
It's too much snow for me.
Scout, what are you doing?
No.
Snow?
No.
More snow.
No.
Let's go for a walk. Let's see what's out here.
You're not going to get very far.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Okay, follow me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on.
He's like, I'll just be carried, thanks.
Wow. That is too much snow. Look at that. What are we going to do with all this?
Missy, why don't you take him right out there in the middle? Well, you're so light, you can just sit up on the top.
No.
Oh, up.
No.
Ugh.
No.
Snow, all right. Oh my gosh.
This is after I already shoveled the driveway 4 times yesterday.
No.
Snow. Uh-oh, snow.
That was right.
Okay, look. Whoop. Come on, let's walk. I want to see you try to walk.
How about you walk down, just put him next to that drift down there. I want to see. Go on, Scout, go. Right there, right in the middle.
Oh, here. Snow.
Oh.
Hey, put him where your feet are. I want to see if the drift is taller than he is. Oh. Oh. Just about. Bracken, you need to make a snow cave.
Bracken, look.
He's like, no. Missy, while you're out here, will you go ahead and take Scout for a walk around the block?
Sure, I'll get right on that. No way, man. Do you want to eat some snow? Look.
Scout, what are you doing?
Oh. Take my picture with you, Annie.
Are you going to show him how to eat some snow?
He won't. He knocks it out of my hand.
Watch.
Eat it. Watch Daddy.
Watch. Lick it. Try it. Try it. Lick it. Like that. Watch. Lick it. Oh!
Oh my God, I don't walk on snow like this.
Oh, that's cold, isn't it?
You didn't like that. Okay.
Snow.
I'm sorry.
Snow.
Do you want to take a picture?
Oh yeah, let me turn the video camera off. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.